Good afternoon and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This is a Ford S-Max. Very nice car. This is a top spec one. This is the 180 brake horsepower, 2 litre diesel, titanium X Sport, 137,000 miles. Very clean and tidy. We have just had it all machine polished, so it's looking lovely. Drives absolutely without fault. Very good service history with it. Previous owner has had recently had rear disc and pads, had a cam belt kit at 105,000 miles, and it really is an eyeful. Very nice looking car. 7-seater, of course. Fully loaded, as we say. It's got sat nav, it's got Bluetooth, it's got touchscreen media centre. It's got all the goodies, this one. Cruise control, very nice inside as well. So mileage 137,624 as we do this video. So if you are looking for a nice looking 7-seater, we might have you covered here. Now this is one of a choice of S-Maxes that we have currently on sale, so do have a look at the full range on the website. And the website's rostonparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07868 722 133.